Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a full copy of the Invalid Samp file so you never lose the original. Then confirm file metadata, size, timestamp, and whether the header bytes match expected values. Once you have a copy and a hex editor installed, open the duplicate and inspect the first 64 bytes. This tells you if the container or header is scrambled. Make sure to note offsets where anomalies appear so you can target repairs precisely and avoid trial-and-error damage. Next, you diagnose structure by comparing the invalid file against a known good sample. This reveals shifted indexes, missing chunks, or altered checksums. Once done, map the index table and payload boundaries so you understand where data should align. If you find repeated null blocks or truncated sections, flag those offsets for restoration. You also run a checksum or hash routine to see which segments fail integrity. That helps you decide whether to reconstruct bytes. Finally, you perform repairs. Overwrite corrupted headers or misplaced index entries with correct bytes, then recalculate checksums so integrity checks pass. Once repaired, run the file in a sandbox or test instance to confirm functionality before restoring to production. Make sure to log every change and keep incremental backups. If the file still fails, extract salvageable payloads, and rebuild a fresh container using the good sample as a template. This often recovers most content without mystery errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.